Hey everyone, it's Shauna, the tax goddess. Today I want to talk about the EIDL loan and whether you can or cannot use it to pay your income taxes. Now, the EIDL loan was one of the business relieving measures that the government put out. It stands for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. Due to this was put out due to COVID and the impact of COVID on so many of our businesses across the US. Now, the EIDL loan is a program specifically from the SBA, and the EIDL had two main factors to it. One, it was a great SBA loan, very, very, very low interest, 3.75%, and the term was fantastic, 30 years to pay off the loan, pay off the debt. But the one caveat was that you could only use the EIDL loan for ordinary and necessary, which is a very similar term to what you've heard me talk about with the IRS, with what we're allowed to deduct, okay, with ordinary and necessary expenses of the business. So for a lot of people are looking at that going, well, okay, so my business earned money, might have been less with COVID, but my business earned money and taxes are ordinary and necessary. If I don't pay my taxes, then I'm not allowed to be in business. They can yank my business license, all sorts of problems. So the question really was, what do we do? Main question, can we use EIDL loan funds to pay our taxes? Now, I want to go over some very specific details here, okay? Because when we're talking about the EIDL, when we're talking about the business and the business being separate from you as an individual, okay? And this is really, in my mind, where the key comes in. The EIDL funds are supposed to be specifically for business expenses, okay? So if you have a sole proprietorship, if you have a partnership, if you have an S corporation, the business profit from that company, right, whatever your net profit is, that flows through to your personal tax return. Your personal tax return pays the taxes. Your income taxes are personal. They are not a business expense, okay? So basically the answer is no, you can't, all right? EIDL funds are supposed to be used only for business expenses. And your taxes, your income taxes, are not business expenses. Okay. Now, there's lots of other ways to pay those income taxes. Okay. Especially if you're down on the income, we'd be happy to cover those. Feel free to reach out to us, join our Facebook group. We cover a lot of those other strategies in that location. But to answer the basic question, can I pay my income taxes with EIDL funds? I believe the answer is no. Okay. Now, I'm saying I believe because the SBA continues to put out new guidance, new options, new theories on what we can and cannot use the EIDL funds for pretty much every couple of weeks. But my reading of the tax code as your tax goddess, should you pay your income taxes with your EIDL loan? Absolutely not. Okay. The negative consequences of doing something that the SBA has said, no, you cannot do this, or side note, at any later point in the future says, no, you cannot do this, even after you've done it, even if there was no guidance, okay, is that the SBA not only can call the loan and all the interest due on the loan, but they have said that they can charge up to a 50% penalty, 50% penalty on the entire balance of the EIDL loan, and they can come after you for criminal fraud. Don't do it, guys. Do not do it. Do not pay your income taxes, your personal level income taxes, with your EIDL money. Now, of course, as new things come out, the tax goddess will bring them to you and bring you ideas and strategies on how you can pay your taxes, pay your income taxes, how to reduce your income taxes. That is, of course, our specialty. So don't hesitate to reach out to us either in our Facebook group, Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs Thousands, or of course, you can always find us at taxgoddess.com and you can book an appointment with me and the team, and we'd be happy to have a chat and see what we can do to help you reduce the taxes. So everybody, please just remember, EIDL does not pay your personal income taxes. All right, thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.